Students at Weld Central Middle School will head back to class tomorrow, but their gym is going to stay closed.
Strong winds in northern Colorado last Friday caused damage to the roof of that school. Another structure completely collapsed because of that wind. Your reporter in northern Colorado, Dylan Thomas, joining us live in Windsor tonight. And Dylan, you spoke with the person who owns that structure.
And he says he was watching as his steel structure covered by a tent was about to blow away. So he rushed to the property in an effort to save it, but it was just about too late as the structure there was about to blow across the highway.
All that's left is a pile of metal.
It's gone. We're cutting it up literally with grinding wheels just to get it out of the way.
But just days ago, this pile was a large tent-like structure. One Jeremy Gord was watching from his Ring doorbell.
And I can see the tent from it, and it was already starting to kind of balloon.
He wasn't at his property, but it only took him minutes to get there.
By the time I got here from the house in Windsor here to look at it, it was already pretty much wanting to take off out of the ground. So some of the ribs had lifted out of the ground. There wasn't much I could do at that point. I went in there and tried to help. I went to open up the big door on the east end here to help the air flow through it, but as I was doing that, the whole thing started lifting up, and I got the heck out of Dodge.
He says he ran from the structure as the wind ripped it out of the ground.
I bolted out of there, lost my hat, the freaking wind took it somewhere else, and the rest is history.
He says he got out just in time.
It's a lot of weight, so I wasn't going to risk my life over something like this.
Monday afternoon, he and some of his peers spent their day cutting apart the remains of the structure. Now, in the snow.
It just happened that Mother Nature wants to smack us again here.
There's no salvaging the structure. He's going to have to start over. But he has noticed how much the winds in the Front Range have picked up in recent years.
I don't know what's going on with all the winds this year, and last spring was gnarly. I guess we might as well get used to being in Wyoming now, huh?
It's something we all feel up here in northern Colorado, right? So Highway 392, which is where that structure was located along, is actually Main Street going through Windsor, So he called 911 during that incident, hoping to get first responders out there. That's when State Patrol, the Sheriff's Office, as well as CDOT responded. CDOT was able to latch their big machinery to that tent structure and pull it away from the highway, so ultimately people could keep driving. Reporting live tonight in Windsor, Dylan Thomas, covering Colorado First.
Incredible story. All right, Dylan, thank you so much. Dylan doesn't just cover northern Colorado. He lives there. You can reach out with your story ideas through cbscolorado.com. Call 303-863-TIPS or email your reporter at cbs.com.